our QCC organizational chart from our manager to our members. And here's also our QCC activity plan to the site schedule. Okay, let's start.
Thank you for coming, Detective Mori. We are encountering an issue with our molding operation. Here is the list of abnormalities that we encountered, and on the top of the list is the untrimmed terminals. Despite all efforts, untrimmed terminals continue to appear.
Leave it to me. I'll get to the bottom of this. Before the root cause of the problem, if I get a contamination to this abnormality, let's begin with the first step. Let's see the occurrences in the previous months.
Previously, there were no occurrences. But in April, there was one. 5 in May, 5 in June, and 22 in July. These are interesting. I need to stay close and figure out the real cause.
We created fishbowl diagrams in order to detect the root cause of the problem. See the list I've created. It's for pointing in the machine issue.
I see. First, we conducted the cleaning of a trimming die. The trimming die has accumulated dirt to debris and significantly affect the trimming process and lead to issues such as the untrimmed terminals.
I will clean the trimming die and check if there's foreign matter inside. Let's conduct trial to see if the problem is fixed.
There's no foreign matter in the flaming guy. It's not a true cause.
The terminals are still untrimmed, Mr. Mori. Trimming die is not the problem.
That is not a true cause!
Otosan, let's move to the next step. Let's check the appearance of trimming punch in good condition.
The punching is fine. No visible damage or wear. I already checked it using microscope.
Let's replace one piece of punch and then try to see if the problem is fixed. With this would really compare the new and old punch.
New and old puncher in cut terminals. Only if the puncher is worn out, it can be the real cause.
Still the same issue, Mr. Mori. The new and old puncher produce the same result.
That is not a true cause!
Otosan, I think the main cause is the air leak. I hear some air leaking.
Ang air leak can cause inconsistencies in the trimming process. If the air regulator in the trimming machine is not functioning properly, it can significantly impact the performance of the humor lock. This should help.
I will replace the air regulator and conduct trial to see if the problem is fixed.
Even though there's air leak, the readings of oil pressure gauge is still in range. It's not the cause.
Even with the new regulator, unfortunately, we're still seeing untrimmed terminals.
That is not a true cause! Goran, clean the press solenoid. Every part should be checked to eliminate this problem now.
Yes, Otosan, I will check it properly so we can conduct trial now.
We have readings and no problem in the application of the process. It's not the cause.
Even if the press solenoid was clean, it has nothing to do with the untrimmed terminals. The problem still exists.
That is not the true cause! This is the last piece of the puzzle. I will clean the press booster hoping this will fix the issue. This should work.
Yes, I will check it properly so we can conduct trial now. I will clean the oil and seal it also.
The press booster did not have any oil leak, so the stroke is dependent to the new lock. It's not the cause.
It's still producing untrimmed terminals, Mr. Mori.
That is not the true cause!
Despite our investigation, the problem persisted. The machine continues to produce untrimmed terminal.
Detective Mori, despite all your efforts, the machine still produces untrimmed terminals. What could we be missing?
Finally, I understand everything. The previous investigation were thorough but overlooked at critical detail. Detective Sato, help me check the humor lock. I believe the issue lies with it. Because if the humor lock model MBX 3-60 is malfunctioning, it could directly affect the performance of the trimming machine.
Inconsistent operations. A malfunctioning humor lock might be the inconsistent or erratic operation of clamping mechanism.
The humor lock system is designed to convert air pressure to high power oil pressure with booster for the high power application of small craft head. There's malfunction, partly not be held correctly, causing misalignment and distribution pressure.
You are correct, Mr. Mori. There it's done. Let's see the results. Subarashi, the terminals are done. Well done, Detective Morris. You've solved the case.
That is the main cause.
Miss Daisy, what happened?
Officer, you solved the case.
Yes, of course, just I suspected. I know I can solve the mystery of these three terminals. But how did I come up with that?
Another case closed. Thanks to the great Detective Mori.
But how did I come up with the root cause?
That's why the dreaming machine has a species stroke.
Ah yes, that's correct. I remember now. For the second why, the valve of the Neumer lock was operating inefficiently. For the third why, packing seal, it has worn on packing seal. For the fourth why, packing seal was very unstuck. For the fifth why, there's no stability on the left path. Let's have the countermeasure in order to prevent this abnormality to occur again.
During maintenance of humor lock, let's have an appearance condition of per seal and provide check sheet for the life cycle monitoring to determine the lifespan of seal and gasket.
Okay, that's included in the preventive maintenance of dreaming machine.
Let's install a pressure gauge that can help us in the performance of oil pump. If the pressure is too low, may indicate the draining oil pump is incorrect to help to maintain the efficient operation.
Through the readings of oil gauge 0.7 megapascal to 13.5 megapascal is the proper range. That's included in the preventive maintenance and molding maintenance trimming machine daily check sheet.
We also need to install a proximity switch in the press booster to detect the absence or presence of a gap. If the proximity switch detects a gap, it signals that the terminal may not have been properly trimmed.
You're right, officer. Even if the Neumer lock is functioning properly, an abnormality also present such as not conducting good stroke due to foreign matter can cause of untreated installation.
Through checking of performance capability 0.15 mm to 1.5 mm is the proper range. That's included in the preventive maintenance of trimming machine and molding trimming machine quarterly.
How about the trimming die if there will be an abnormality like not conducting full stroke due to foreign matter?
I knew you would say that. We also need to put the indicator and the trimming die to ensure it completes a full stroke.
I have an idea. Let's put the one pointer attached to training die to show the training die. We can easily see the resulting emission of the process.
During the cutting process, there should have a standard measured height.
Okay, that's included in the preventive maintenance of trimming machine daily check sheet.
It's all set and done. This is the result for the month of August 2024.
Look, Detective Mori, we have zero defect in the month of August, September, and October.
Tarde at sea!
For the future plans, first we have the feedback loop. It will be added in our daily morning meetings, whereas the maintenance personnel and machine operators can freely share their ideas regarding the abnormality encountered. This will be analyzed and studied by the staff to improve overall system. The next one will be the Yokoten. A trim terminal system will be implemented to the other machines. We are representing CAP and our motto is to
Continuous improvement in striving for the highest standard in both product and service quality. Keep
advancing.
Maximum.
Performance, representing
I'm Jonah Sarana Mori.
I'm Troy as the great Detective Mori.
Hi, I'm Jojo as Conan.
I am Mitch as Detective Sato.
And
We
we are
are Detectives of CAP.
Arigatou
Arigatou
gozaimashita.
gozaimashita.